Hello children, so today we will continue the chapter, and today, as you can see in the diagram, so today we will be discussing a very important topic, and that is excretory system in human. So last class I gave you some brief description regarding excretory system. So the main organ which are required in your excretory system are these. So we will be discussing each of the organ. So first of all we are discussing will be kidney. So these are your kidneys. So usually you find that kidneys are these two organ, and whenever you see in the proper diagram you find that the left kidney is slightly left kidney will be slightly higher than your right kidney, but in this diagram like more or less I made the same. Now the location of kidney, usually you know your rib cage. So your kidney is first of all it's just located below your diaphragm against the back wall. So diaphragm means it's somewhere below your rib cage. So your kidney is usually protected by your last two rib cage. You know your rib cage. The rib cage will be protecting your heart and your lungs. So the last two bones of your rib cage will be protecting your kidney. So it's located out there. Now they are microscopic coiled out there inside the kidney. They will be microscopic coiled structure that are known as your nephrons. So usually in kidney your urines are produced. Then next one is your ureter. This duct, this line is known as your ureters. U-R-E-T-E-R-S, ureters. So now it's a muscular tube which is coming from the kidney, and this muscular tube, it is connected to this portion. This is known as your bladder. Now the function of this ureter is it helps in transfer of urine from kidney to the bladder. Then next one which we are going to discuss is of course your bladder. So bladder, as you can see, it looks like a pear shape, and this one is usually rotated, situated in your pelvis region. Pelvis region, that means your camber, you call it in Nepal, you call it camber. So it is related below your pelvis, in your pelvis region, and it is connected, your bladders are connected with kidney through ureters. Now the function of this bladder is it can store urine. So approximately it can store from 0.5 to 1 liters of urine. 0.5 to 1 liters of urine this bladder can store. Then next one is your urethra. U-R-E-T-H-R-A. Urethra. Urethra, it is the opening of the bladder, which usually its function is to release the urine. So the act of deposing, the act of releasing urine is known as the act would be known as your micturition. M-I-C-T-U-R-I-T-I-O-N. M-I-C-T-U-R-I-T-I-O-N. So micturition is the process of releasing urine. It's a process of releasing urine. So from urethra, it's the opening through which urine is coming out. So it's an opening in the bladder through which urine comes out. So this is how urine will be coming out from your body. Now next one is your urine. Now urine is usually the waste product, from your body. It's usually the the food which you eat, the broken down proteins, usually which are high in very toxic substance. So your urine is it consists a large amount of toxic substance. which are not required by the body. So usually in urine you find that it's yellowish in color, usually pale yellowish in